What's happening, everybody? This is your boy Snow. Welcome back to the lab. We're here more of that Smell Good talk. Let's get it. I have another perfume from the haul that I did the other day, and this time we have Vulcan Black Friday limited edition. I love this box. Like, this box is great. It's like snake skin with the print. This thing look good. I ain't gonna lie, the box looks good. Y'all know I have another Vulcan in there that I do enjoy. And this one, there was so much hype around this one. So I'm hoping that this bad boy smells good. Oh, first of all, let me show y'all the presentation so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Y'all see that? Yeah. You see that? Yeah. All right, so let's get this bad boy on paper. I have smelled it. And okay, I'm gonna say this. Okay, this is supposed to be, it doesn't matter what it's mimicking, but it's supposed to be mimicking another fragrance. I have not had the pleasure of getting my nose on that fragrance. I will say this just off top. I would not call this a safe blind buy at all. Ain't even close. The reason why I say that is because in the opening, there's something to it that gives it like a really sour smell. I'm not exactly sure what that is. It just comes off sour, but not that, you know, I enjoy like pungent, like a nice pungent smell. It's not that. It's more like a sour that initially throws me off. But I can understand how this can be a fragrance that someone really enjoys. Leather, rose, mossy, sweet, like oaky kind of vibe with I don't know, that lavender. There's a lot to this. It's a very complex fragrance based on what I'm smelling. I love leather, but it's just really sour on the opening. And I don't know if whatever this is supposed to be inspired by has that same kind of sour smell to it, because it's not a pleasant sour smell. So I would not call this blind buy safe, but I also can see why individual would like this, because it's not that I don't like it. I just don't know how that like sour aspect, almost like something spoiled in it. I don't know how that would do on my skin. So like, I put it in the air, I put it on texture strips, I let it dry down, and it does get better. It does. But man, you have to want this kind of profile to truly enjoy this one as like a blind buy. I'm gonna go in and just love it. I feel like you're either gonna love it or hate it, man. I don't hate it, but I don't love it just off the initial smell. Now, once it dries down, okay, it gets very subtle. It's not anything that's like knocking me off my feet, but I get it. It's not a bad. I love the presentation. I love what it's trying to do. But if that opening could be fixed or changed or something, this would be solid. But that opening kind of kills it for me. So I don't know, man. Talk in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have this in your collection. Let me know if you think this is a blind buy safe fragrance. And yeah, as always, man, talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else out there I should be testing to let y'all know if it's worth buying or not. As always, man, make sure you like, comment, repost. And yeah, man, y'all be easy.